What's going on, folks? Day 22. I hope y'all had a good day so far. We out here, and the best I could say, thanks to the rain, all our piles probably won't need a watering. Just flip. Work pile 2. About a high of 69. A low of 66. Work pile 3. I see as I come out later in the day, temps are lower, but they're more even. Stable, I should say. High 68, low of 60. Work pile 4. About a low of 65. High 68, I think. Spear green pile. Low of 65. High 69. Almost 70. 70 it is. The dry piles, man, they got hit by the rain a little bit, but I put them where they normally are covered well. Just gotta rake through them today. That's it though. So another thing for work pile number 1, right? Because I know the texture won't just immediately be where I want it to be in one day. I don't need to do a texture test every day. So, pile 2, inside temps. I think about a high 75, probably 76. Yep, 76. Pile 3, inside temps. I seen a 78. A low of 71. Pile 4. A low of 70. I ain't gonna count the 60s, but a low of 71. And 60s weren't really on the inside. High 77. Spear green pile. I had a video already, but for some reason it switched to a picture. I don't know why, but it was a high 81. Yeah, I'm gonna take that low of 70. Alright, so everything cracked open. I would like to say probably the only thing that needs to happen again is a flip, and that's it. Like, everything's already wet from the rain. I think that's it, really. Okay, no. So I had to change of plans. I decided I'm gonna add some dry to this pile, wet and dry to that one, and this one. And that's what I'll do. Alright, amendments added. Again, no need to add water because it rained. So they have excess water. Plus I was giving them just straight water feedings or water additions the last few days. So, yeah. Alright. Everything else to be mixed is mixed. Everything to be flipped is flipped. Just got bit by a big ass mosquito. Yeah, I'll be back. Alright. Everything I was supposed to mix up has been mixed and raked. Yeah, getting bit the fuck up. But dry pile's been moved. Let the extra water drain.